Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily see your archived emails in Gmail. It's really simple and easy. For this, first of all, you have to open the Gmail application here. And to see your archived emails, you can search that email on the search bar. For example, if your friend had sent any email and you accidentally archived that email, now you want to check that email, then you can just type your friend name here like this. Then you will be able to see the email that your friend had sent. And if you don't know their name, or if you don't know what to search for, then you can just go back to your home page and then tap on these three bars in the left corner, and you have to scroll down a bit and you will see this option here, all mail. Just tap on it and you will be able to see all the emails, all the mails that you have received or that you have sent, and the mail from trash, and also the archived emails as well. You just have to scroll down and search that email that you are looking for, and that's pretty much it. That's how to find archive emails in Gmail. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.